Hi everyone, I'm Dom from Sony, and today we're taking a close look at the brand new Xperia 5 Mark II. The Xperia 5 Mark II combines the latest and greatest of Sony's audio-visual technologies from their high-end consumer products and their professional solutions, also available in the Xperia 1 Mark II flagship, but now in a sleek and compact design. The Xperia 5 Mark II is built for speed, made compact, measuring just 68mm wide and 8mm deep, but doesn't compromise on performance or durability, sporting an extremely powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G mobile platform, a triple lens camera with technology from Sony's Alpha camera brand, and IP6568 certification, giving you a design that you'll love with the technology that you need. The camera on the Xperia 5 Mark II was co-developed with the same engineers behind the latest Alpha 9 series of cameras to deliver perfect portraits every time, thanks to Sony's industry-leading autofocus technologies, including real-time eye autofocus for not only humans, but animals too. You're also able to capture unmissable moments that are always in focus, thanks to the 20 frames per second continuous burst mode with autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. And when using Photography Pro on the Xperia 5 Mark II, you really feel like a professional as well. Not just because of the user interface, which closely resembles that of a professional Sony Alpha camera, but also because of the dedicated two-stage camera button as well. And the versatile triple lens setup at the back allows you to really expand your creativity by being able to shoot in ultra-wide 16mm, wide-angle 24mm, and the 70mm telephoto lens. Too close? The Zeiss optics are specifically calibrated for the Xperia 5 Mark II and also feature the renowned Zeiss T-Star coating for reduced reflection, resulting in exquisite contrast and image rendering. And to top it all off, the Xperia 5 Mark II offers RAW support on all three lenses, allowing you to capture substantially more information in every shot and giving you even more flexibility when editing your photos afterwards. The Xperia 5 Mark II is not only perfectly suited for photographers, but cinematographers as well, allowing you to shoot movies with pro-level settings and tools, thanks to Cinematography Pro, powered by Cine Alta. Now, Sony is no stranger to innovation, being at the bleeding edge of technology for over 70 years, and they're still pushing the envelope with the Xperia 5 Mark II by giving you 4K, HDR, 120 frames per second slow-motion movie recording for the first time ever in a smartphone. So now you can add dramatic and cinematic slow motion to your next video production. You'll also have more professional sound whilst movie making, thanks to Sony's award-winning audio separation technology, which goes into their intelligent wind filter. With this setting switched on, you can capture the sound that you want without the unpredictable environment ruining your take. This device follows Sony's bold 21:9 design, which not only has fantastic benefits for cinema lovers, which I'll touch on in a moment, but it's also great for gaming too. The wider aspect ratio can improve your gaming experience with a wide field of view, and Sony have also upgraded the refresh and response rate of the display on the Xperia 5 Mark II for blur-free viewing and more precision whilst gaming. You can control your game with razor-sharp precision thanks to the 240Hz touch response, and enjoy ultra-smooth gameplay with a hardware refresh rate of 120Hz, which can actually be improved further within Sony's Game Enhancer settings to deliver an unbelievable 240Hz equivalent refresh rate with their motion blur reduction technology. But the gaming excellence doesn't stop there. You can also optimize and customize your gaming experience within Game Enhancer, such as disabling touch areas on the screen to prevent you from hitting something you didn't mean to. The ability to record and share your gameplay on social media with the added control over your microphone and gaming audio levels, or even blocking notifications for longer and more demanding gaming sessions. And speaking of demanding gaming sessions, if you're gaming whilst your Xperia is connected to a charging adapter, the heat suppression power control and internal graphene structure will prevent overheating and protect your battery from damage, which means you can play for longer without compromising performance. And the Xperia 5 Mark II's notchless 6.1-inch 21:9 cinema-wide display is perfect for cinema lovers, as it's tailor-made for immersive, uninterrupted viewing and amazing quality thanks to its HDR OLED screen. You even get to see films through the eyes of the director with professional level colour reproduction thanks to Creator Mode powered by Cine Alta, which is inspired by Sony's professional master monitors. And even in the default standard mode, the X1 for Mobile engine brings Bravia HDR remastering technology to everything you watch. So even streamed content can be enjoyed with enhanced colour, contrast and clarity. But enjoying cinema is not just about having an immersive display, it's also about having immersive audio to transport you into that content that you're watching. And this is where Sony have excelled again by tuning the Dolby Atmos on the Xperia 5 Mark II in collaboration with Sony Pictures Entertainment to give you unrivaled sound. And it's not just cinematic audio that sounds superb on the Xperia 5 Mark II. Thanks to the 3.5mm headphone jack, you can listen to high-res audio through wired or wireless headphones. Also, your favourite music just sounds better on here thanks to Sony's digital sound enhancement engine Ultimate, which will enhance all of your digital music, including streaming services, to near high-res audio quality by using audio AI algorithms to reproduce higher frequencies, so you can listen to the songs the way the artist intended you to. But the audio innovation doesn't stop there. You can actually place yourself in the music thanks to Sony's new format 360 reality audio. And the Xperia 5 Mark II has actually got a hardware decoder for this format, specifically optimized for the service on Tidal, so you can experience true immersion in your sound. And when it comes to performance, don't let the compact size of the Xperia 5 Mark II fool you. After all, this 5G device is built for speed. This pocket-friendly powerhouse is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G mobile platform to help you achieve blistering download speeds and handle any task you can throw at the phone, with a 25% increase in performance over the previous model. And, as always, not only does Sony give you a sizable 4000 mAh battery, which also supports PD fast charging to get you from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes, but they also give you the battery technology to look after it for long-term performance. Sony's battery care and Xperia adaptive charging prevent you from overcharging your handset and ensure the battery isn't being overworked whilst being charged, so you can enjoy a healthy battery even after 2 years of usage. The Xperia 5 Mark II will be ready to pre-order soon across select markets, so to order or to find out more, simply visit the Sony website.